Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how to configure Cloudflare WAF rules using Ultimate Security. A WAF, or Web Application Firewall, acts as a protective shield for your website. Implementing Cloudflare's Web Application Firewall rules through Ultimate Security adds a strong layer of protection to your site by blocking malicious traffic from reaching your server. Before we start, ensure that Ultimate Security is installed on your site and you have your Cloudflare credentials ready. We are starting from the Ultimate Security dashboard. To reach the Cloudflare settings, navigate to Settings from the top bar, then WAF Rules and click on Cloudflare Setup. This brings us to the Cloudflare Setup page. First, look at the Enable WAF Rules setting. We are turning on the master switch. Next, the Cloudflare API Credentials section. It shows that no account is connected, so we are going to connect an account. Here at first, we have the Account Name field. This is a label to help you identify a specific Cloudflare account if you add multiple accounts. In the authentication method, we have three choices: API token, email and global API key, and OAuth. For this setup, we are selecting email and global API key. At first, we need to name it. You will then need to enter your associated Cloudflare account email and paste your global API key into the corresponding field. Below that, you will see the token duration settings. This means how long the credentials will be stored. We have set this to forever to keep the credentials stored permanently, though you can adjust this based on your security preferences. Now click the Verify and Save button. Once verified, you will see one account added, and you can edit or delete them from here. Now click Save Changes to finalize your Cloudflare configuration. With the connection established, it is time to look at the rules. In the left side menu, click on Setup and Rules, then select Overview. Here, you see a checklist of the rules you can manage. These range from controlling bot traffic to protecting your login page. You can click the Open button next to any of these items to dive into the specific settings. Let's look at Allow Good Bots. To see it, click from the left side to see the details. This rule tells your firewall to let in helpful, safe visitors, like search engine crawlers. Toggle the Enable switch to turn on this feature. Below this, you will see a list of verified bot categories from Cloudflare. You can use the Enable All button to quickly ensure all known, safe services are allowed, and Disable All to turn off all of them, or you can manage these individually. For this video, we are enabling them all for now. After enabling these, look at the WordPress backup services. We are enabling them all. Next, the Website Monitoring Services settings. These options ensure that tools you trust, like your backup plugin or site speed monitors, can always connect to your site without being blocked. Here, we are manually enabling a few of them. Further down the page, you will find settings for performance and image optimization. Just like before, you can use the Enable All or control each setting manually. Next, we have all popular SEO crawlers here. Turning them all can be a good decision. Next is the Security and Malware Scanners settings. You can toggle external auditing services from here. In the Social Media Preview settings, toggle all to ensure your links display correctly on social media platforms. And the WordPress management settings. If you use any one of them, you can enable it. At the bottom of the page, you will find the custom IP allow list. You can add specific addresses here. Down below, you can add your custom user agents, such as trusted bots. Next, we can see that Cloudflare is connected. You can manage and deploy your WAF rules directly to your selected zone. Notice that before you deploy, you must ensure all your WAF settings are saved using the Save Changes button on the page. Next, look at the Deploy to Cloudflare section. Here, you can use the Select a Zone dropdown to choose the specific Cloudflare zone. If you recently added a zone, you can click the refresh icon next to the dropdown to update your list. Note that, in this video, we will only show you how to use the WAF settings. Next, you have three primary action buttons. First, the Deploy Rules button pushes your saved plugin managed rules to Cloudflare. Before you hit deploy, don't forget to save the changes at first. Also, as you can see, the Deploy button is not active because we have not selected any zone. Next, the Preview button. Click to see the rules. And this is the Remove Plugin Rules button. It allows you to clear out the rules managed by the plugin. Here you can see the final expression of the rules. Eventually, here is a help section where you can understand how the deployment works. When you are finished, click the Save Changes button at the top. Now your rules are saved, and you can deploy them. Now that we have covered the Allow Good Bots configuration, let's move to the next rule. In the left side menu, click on Block Crawlers and WP Paths. These rules are to protect your site from persistent bots and exploit scanners, and they control access to sensitive WordPress paths. you will notice an Enable Aggressive Crawlers and WP Paths setting. We are enabling this. Below that, you will see the Aggressive Crawlers list. You can toggle each one individually or use the Enable All button to quickly block those that consume excessive bandwidth. Similarly, for generic bot patterns. Down below is the Exploit Scanners. It is designed to block known vulnerability scanning tools and exploit frameworks. Right next, we have WordPress Path Protection. It prevents unauthorized attempts to access critical WordPress files and directories that hackers frequently target. Finally, we have the Attack Pattern settings. This is vital for blocking common malicious threats, including SQL injection and path traversal attempts. Down to the Deploy to Cloudflare section, you can preview the rules. Check the expressions before you save and deploy them. Once you have configured these, click Save Changes at the top right. Next, select Block Web Hosts and Tor from the left side menu. These rules provide a strong defense for your website, enabling you to restrict incoming traffic from web hosting services and Tor exit nodes. Click the Enable switch at the top to start. You can view the list of web hosting providers and toggle them on or off based on your needs or individually manage them. Again, click Save Changes to finalize. Moving on, click Challenge Cloud Providers and Countries in the menu. These rules add a layer of defense by issuing a managed challenge to traffic coming from major cloud services, as well as optional challenges for visitors outside your target countries. Enable the Challenge Large Providers Country switch to manage traffic from these sources. You can toggle individual cloud providers or enable them all. For country restriction, toggle the switch to challenge visitors from outside your selected countries. A new section will appear. In the Allowed Countries menu, you can select which countries to permit. Click Save Changes to apply these configurations. Finally, select Challenge VPN and Login from the menu. It provides a managed challenge for known VPN providers and adds protection for your WordPress login page. Enable the top switch to start challenging VPN connections and protecting your WordPress login page. Under VPN providers, you can toggle individual VPNs or use Enable All to block known VPN traffic. After that, you will see the Protected Paths setting for the WordPress login page. The switch is enabled by default. It adds a key defense against brute force attacks and automated login attempts. Next below, if you use a custom login URL, you can also toggle Enable Custom Login URL Protection and enter your specific path in the field provided. Now, we have configured all the rules. Let's click on the preview rules to see all of them. It will start generating the logic of the rules. Click on the generated expressions. It shows the 5 rules in their actual form. Please note that all rules shown in the video are not recommended by Ultimate Security. We only give you the flexibility to manually configure and deploy each rule and setting. When you are done, click Save Changes to finish setting up your WAF rules. Next, click Preview and Deploy in the left side menu. This area allows you to review the generated Cloudflare wire filter expressions that will be deployed from your current WAF settings. These expressions are read only, but you can click Refresh Expressions to ensure you are seeing the latest configuration. In the Cloudflare Connected section, select your zone and click Deploy Rules to push your configurations to Cloudflare. For every rule listed, you will notice a Copy button located to the right. Clicking this button immediately copies the specific rule logic to your clipboard. If you need help understanding how to optimize your protection, click on Guidance in the menu. This section provides implementation notes and operational guidance for each WAF rule group. You will find important considerations here, such as the recommendation to keep Allow Good Bots active and advice on how to use the rules to effectively balance security with user accessibility. To inspect what is currently active on your site, select Live Rules from the menu. It is designed to give you visibility of active WAF rules. Simply select your zone from the dropdown and click Load Rules to view the custom WAF rules currently deployed to your Cloudflare zone. If you need to update your view to see the latest configurations, simply click the refresh button, and the rules will appear down here. Finally, let's click Analytics from the menu. This allows you to review requests, threats, bandwidth, and many more for a selected Cloudflare zone. Select your desired zone, choose your preferred time range from the drop-down menu, and click Load Analytics to view the recent traffic and threat metrics for your site. Remember that we pull the metrics from Cloudflare. To refresh your data and ensure you are viewing the most recent statistics, simply click the refresh button. And the analytics report will be shown here. With the WAF settings, you can build a powerful, multi-layered defense system for your WordPress website and filter out malicious traffic, blocking automated threats. Download Ultimate Security, link in the description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more WordPress security guides. We will see you in the next video.